Hey, welcome. This is Shon. This is my wife,
Adrian.
and we're going to have a new page coming up shortly. It's called An Uncommon Love.
Yes, and it's based kind of on our life of what we've been through, our journey with marriage. So we just want to welcome you guys to our page. If you've been listening to Shon at ImDealingWith, please come over to
The next page of Uncommon Love. So Uncommon Love will be released here shortly, and we're going to be talking to couples. Maybe you're married, maybe you're thinking about getting married, maybe you're going through some different things, and our job is to tell you about our journey and how we've actually restored our marriage. Yes, there's been some complications, but with God's favor and love, here we are.
Yeah. So right now we're in Julian, California. We just climbed up Stonewall Peak Trail. So that's what you guys see behind us. So it's just kind of a parallel as we started climbing up here to what we can expect. We took the journey that we were on for marriage and how there was so many twists and turns to get there. You almost want to quit, but you're almost at that peak. So stay encouraged. Coming soon, we have more of that for you guys to know, just to keep going, whatever you're dealing with in life. But ours was marriage, and we made it. And this was just parallel to what we went through in our journey.
Yeah, and one thing about our climb is we had to go through what is called these switchbacks. And a lot of times in relationships and in marriage, you're going to go through these switchbacks. But if you keep on going through, you're going to make it to the top. So take care, be blessed, and again, stay tuned for An Uncommon Love featuring Shon
And Adrian.
Take care, be blessed. Bye for now.